Hey guys, it's Armando Garcia, your Austin, Texas mortgage lender, and today we're going over the top 10 things you should consider when choosing a mortgage lender. Let's go. Purchasing a home can be a very stressful process, so having the right mortgage lender on your side can help make your life a whole lot easier. In no particular order, these are the 10 different factors I highly recommend you consider when choosing your mortgage lender. Number 1, experience. Being a mortgage lender requires having a ton of knowledge of underwriting guidelines for a multitude of loan programs. This knowledge takes years to master, and even then, guidelines and rules seem to change monthly, which requires us to constantly keep ourselves in the loop with the latest updates. I myself did not feel as confident as I do today until after around 3 years of being a loan officer. An experienced loan officer will be able to find solutions to your goals faster, prevent you from losing money, and provide you with the peace of mind that you're making an educated decision. Number 2, local versus non-local. Having a local lender helps on many fronts. For one, if you ever need to meet with them face-to-face, you can. They're part of your community and understand the market you're purchasing in better than anyone else. Also, local lenders have pinpointed and established strong relationships with the other local experts. We work with the most knowledgeable realtors, the most knowledgeable appraisal firms, and the most knowledgeable insurance companies, to name a few. Lastly, working with the local lender helps streamline communication. As a local lender, our loan officers, processors, underwriters, closers, everyone in the process will help keep a streamlined path of communication. This helps limit potential costs and issues that I commonly hear about when buyers use non-local or online lenders. Number 3, loan programs. Conventional, VA, and FHA are some of the more popular loan programs. However, there is not a single loan program that is the best loan program for every situation. A great lender is able to not only utilize these programs, but also offer different and unique programs specific to your circumstance. Perhaps you're a first-time homebuyer with limited savings who needs down payment assistance. Or perhaps you're a physician starting your career with limited savings but a significant pay raise on the horizon. There are many different loan programs out there, and so a lender with multiple options is something to consider. Number 4, availability. We all know that time is precious, so having a lender who is available either personally or through their team is vital. Let's say you're a buyer and while touring homes on a Sunday, you fall in love with the perfect home. But at the same time, 4 other families have fallen in love with that same home. You may need to make a quick decision. Maybe you want to know what that payment looks like. Or maybe you need something as easy as an updated pre-qualification letter to submit an offer. Having a lender you can quickly communicate with will help put you in a better position to secure the information you're looking for. And this leads us to number 5, closing time frame. You'll want a lender who can close in a reasonable amount of time. A great time frame is usually 20 to 30 days from the time your offer is accepted. However, depending on the circumstances, closing faster or slower may need to be necessary. One reason for a faster close could be due to you coming up against a soon-to-be ending lease agreement. One reason to close a little bit slower is due to the seller waiting themselves to close on a home that perhaps is not quite ready yet. Either way, communicate with your lender to get a realistic game plan of what to expect. Number 6, recommendations and reviews. One of the tough situations as a home buyer is not truly knowing how your loan process will go until you actually do it. Having reviews and recommendations from others will help clear up some of those blind spots so that you have a better understanding of who you're working with and what to expect. Ask your real estate agent for advice, your friends and family, and online reviews of the lender you're interested in working with. Past clients will be able to help shed some light. Number 7, rates and fees. The rate market can be very volatile, so you'll want to work with a lender that is competitive upfront with rates and closing costs, but also knowledgeable with the history of rates and how your specific scenario can affect the rate that you're offered. Most lenders can quote a rate to you upfront, but I highly recommend that you get pre-qualified first in order to get as accurate an estimate as possible. Number 8, personality type. Are you a data-driven individual? Do you prefer an emotional attachment prior to making a decision? Or perhaps you prefer someone else to drive the conversation for you? All of this can be uncovered while speaking with the lender during your very first consultation. And because of this, my recommendation is to have an initial conversation with them, and you'll know pretty quickly. Is this a person not only who you can trust, but that they clearly understand your goals and how you operate as well? Number 9, portfolio. A lender with a portfolio will have more options and ability to help you purchase your home. A portfolio is a collection of financial investments like stocks, bonds, cash, and other equivalents. With these funds, the lender is able to offer programs like jumbo, physician, and construction loans, among others. Not only that, a lender with a portfolio can keep all processing and underwriting in-house as opposed to waiting for third-party underwriters to make a decision. This helps provide you with an efficient loan process as well as a competitive loan option. Number 10, loan servicing. Once you close on your loan, the relationship doesn't stop there. Unfortunately, you'll soon have to begin making your mortgage payments. Having a lender who also services your loan will help keep you in familiar territory, even after you close. Keep in mind that all lenders ultimately sell a portion of the mortgages they originate. This is a part of the process that will never change. However, some lenders service a higher percentage of their loans than others. That's it. There you have it. These are the top 10 things I believe you should consider when choosing a mortgage lender. I hope you found this content helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for now, but I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.